Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to swap face in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Open both source and target image. I will replace his face with this one. Choose the lasso tool, and make a selection of the face on source image. Copy it and paste it on the target image. Press Ctrl+T and adjust to on the face. Open Layer panel. Decrease the opacity for alignment of our copied part on targeted image. Click on the layer icon to make the selection. Contract it by 18 pixels. Hide the source layer. Select targeted layer and press delete to delete the selection part. Select source layer and maximize the opacity at 100%. Select both layers, go Edit, and choose Auto Blend Layers to open the Auto Blend Layers dialog box. Hit OK to apply the default setting. It's done. So that was the tutorial how to swap face in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you like it. If you have any question, suggestion or feedback, feel free to comment below. Also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.